have you ever tried to emboss a word or any image, and then you turn on your heat and it just kind of goes around and you can't get it? Let me show you how to fix this. Take a piece of cork, take your image that you are embossing, go ahead and get all the embossing powder on it. Place it on your cork board, take 2 pins and place inside a loop. If you don't have a loop, you can put a very small pinhole in the word. Hold it down and now simply emboss it. You will have to wait for just a moment for it to dry and become stiff. Then you can pick it up and you have your word beautifully embossed with gold and you're ready to make a card.